Imagine owning a company that doesn't produce anything, yet controls multiple businesses and assets. That's the power of a holding company. These financial powerhouses offer asset protection, tax advantages, and financial flexibility for both small business owners and large corporations. A holding company is a business entity that primarily owns and manages assets but does not engage in day-to-day operations. Its assets can include shares in other companies, real estate, patents, trademarks, and more. The companies owned by a holding company are called operating companies. There are several types of holding companies. Pure holding companies exist solely to own shares in other companies. Mixed holding companies own shares while also engaging in their own business operations. Financial holding companies focus on banking, insurance, or financial services. Intermediate holding companies are subsidiaries of larger holding companies that hold shares in other companies. The benefits of setting up a holding company are significant. First, it provides asset protection. By separating valuable assets from operating businesses, a holding company shields these assets from potential creditors of the operating companies. Second, it can offer tax advantages. A holding company can be incorporated in a state with more business-friendly taxation, potentially reducing overall tax liabilities. Third, it provides financial flexibility. Holding companies can often borrow at lower rates due to their diverse portfolio of businesses. Creating a holding company involves several steps. First, choose a business structure, such as a limited liability company or a corporation. Next, register the business with the state by filing the necessary documents, including articles of incorporation or organization. Obtain an employer identification number for tax purposes and open separate bank accounts to maintain financial independence from subsidiaries. Draft operating agreements and bylaws to define roles and responsibilities. Finally, acquire business assets such as intellectual property, real estate, or equipment. Legal and compliance considerations are crucial when setting up a holding company. Each state has unique registration requirements and tax laws. Industry-specific regulations may apply, especially for financial and insurance holding companies. Most states require annual reports, renewals, and tax filings. To maintain legal separation and liability protection, it's essential not to commingle funds between the holding company and its subsidiaries. Tax implications and strategies are a key aspect of holding companies. A well-structured holding company can provide benefits such as income tax deferral, state tax optimization, and dividend tax planning. However, tax laws are complex and vary by jurisdiction. Professional tax advice is crucial to ensure compliance with IRS regulations and to maximize potential tax benefits. In conclusion, setting up a holding company can be a powerful strategy for asset protection, tax optimization, and financial management. By understanding the structure, benefits, and process of creating a holding company, businesses can leverage this tool to safeguard their assets and potentially improve their financial position. Remember, proper legal and financial planning is essential to navigate the complexities of holding company formation and management.